Have you ever heard of the upacara turun mandi? The upacara turun mandi is a tradition which also has ties to Minangkabau. I would like to share about the meaning of the upacara turun mandi, the process of the upacara turun mandi, and the relationship between upacara turun mandi and Minangkabau culture. Definition of upacara turun mandi. Turun mandi is tradition origin from Minangkabau which still exists today. Kerning, this tradition is a tradition carried on from one generation to another from Minangkabau society to express gratitude for the blessing given by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala is in the form of a newborn baby. Going down in the shower is also a sign that you are descended from a child, a family, or tribe has been born. Various preparations were made to carry out this tradition. The first being determining the date when the Turun Mandi ceremony will be held. There are problems regarding implementation date. For baby boys, this tradition carried out on the 8th day after birth the baby. And in the baby born is a girl, then it is carried out on every day. The one bathing out of the every day. The one bathing tradition can only be done in the river. Baby are usually carried from the house the river by the person who played an important role in helping the birth process. Sang newborn children are also accompanied along the way from home to where they are the ceremony process will be carried. First, polonasi is mixed with corn and chicken blood that two fowls are placed in the designated place, and the other is taken the bathing place. In the second, the bathing ceremony can be carried out after the child in 40 days or it is done in some area but not all the time are like that. There are also talks that are done before the child is 3 months old. After the bathing is in finished, the coconut seeds that have been prepared are deposited upstream that country by the mother who then has accompanies the baby. After that, the stones are taken using the tangwa. The head seed are planted around the house, and these 7 stones become plugs in the exposed point for coconut seed after all the events are finished. The family, guests, and the community will enjoy the bajamba meal that has been provided by the family. Is the meaning contained in the Turun Mandi tradition? I taking the baby out the house will introduce the child to the natural surroundings. What parties the family hope they want the children's goals up. He heals now nature be able to live with according to the Minang philosophy. Alam takambang become a teacher. 3. The value contained in lighting a torch suluh with the knit handle facing egg of the bud so that when the baby grow up it can be a guide for society, religion, and his nation and dare to defend to rule. Using tangwa fishing net when bathing means that the baby will grow up be a successful person from all aspects. The meaning of greening a coconut that has buds is so that when it grown up, able to stand independently like a coconut tree which is always up there in the position in the future. When you grow up, you don't depend of other people in your life. By distribution bare babia and bare rendang to children and group I am to go into a person who like giving to other and having generous soul. So, ladies and gentlemen, upacara turun mandi taking a bath is an event carried out on newborn baby who are taken to baths in the nearest prayer room or mosque. Before taking the bath, the baby's family must determine when the bathing event will take place. I can conclude that the meaning, process, and relationship of upacara turun mandi. Minangkabau is important to know. Minangkabau local wisdom must be preserved and passed on the next generation. Thank you.